Making this video to let you know that, hey, I appreciate the offer. However, I can't do business on YouTube. I don't know. I don't even know who you are. You got I guess, an icon and a screen name, but that doesn't identify who you are. I have no idea how to contact you other than leaving another message or replying to this message that you made. That doesn't get me anywhere. I have over 2,000 videos on YouTube. There's no way I can even find this message a couple of days later. I get so many messages from so many different videos and comments that even if I wanted to, I couldn't find this message in a couple of days to properly interact with you to conduct business. So, I said all that to say this. If you want me to help you in any capacity, according to this message that you just left me, you need to call or text me or email me. Go to my website, robertspinner.com or robertdiy.com, and find my contact information so that you can contact me properly, and then we can conduct business from there. Other than that, this comment that you've left here is a comment that probably won't go anywhere else, because I usually can't find these things a couple days later or even know who you are to conduct business properly. So if you want my help, or you want me to help you with something, or you want to help me with something, you got to call, text, or email me from my website. Thanks. Hope you understand. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.